Ultra-wide cinematic interior shot of a massive 50,000 pound per day jackfruit processing plant where endless conveyors carry giant green jackfruits under dramatic industrial lighting. Steam drifting slowly through the air as mechanical sounds echo rhythmically, creating a hypnotic factory atmosphere. Forklifts unloading truckloads of freshly harvested jackfruit while automated scanners analyze size, weight, and ripeness in real time, workers in clean protective uniforms guiding the flow as robotic arms sort fruit with perfect precision. Stainless steel machinery reflecting light, emphasizing the scale, cleanliness, and efficiency of modern vegan food production. Calm yet powerful documentary mood. Smooth camera movement, slow zooms, and subtle motion blur to enhance immersion and set the tone for a mesmerizing plant-based meat transformation process. High detail. Close-up shots of jackfruit entering industrial washing tunnels where high-pressure water jets rotate and spray from all angles, removing dirt and sap as drums spin slowly. Crystal clear water splashing in slow motion for satisfying ASMR visuals. Transitioning to automated cutting stations where sharp stainless steel blades slice open the massive fruit with perfect symmetry, revealing golden fibrous interiors in extreme macro detail. Robotic arms separating thick skins, sticky fibers, and heavy seeds into different streams for efficient processing. Smooth conveyor transitions showing continuous movement. Soft industrial lighting highlighting texture and moisture, emphasizing hygiene, precision, and the raw beauty of large-scale food engineering. Cinematic shots of separated jackfruit. Pulp moving into industrial steam chambers where controlled heat softens dense fibers. Thick clouds of steam rising and rolling across the factory floor. Warm lighting creating a dramatic contrast with cold stainless machinery. Slow-motion valves releasing pressure as the fruit becomes tender and flexible. Conveyors emerging from the steam with softened jackfruit ready for transformation. Camera tracking alongside moving belts to emphasize scale and rhythm. Ambient mechanical hum blending with subtle ASMR steam sounds. Visually communicating how raw fruit is carefully prepared for textural conversion into realistic plant-based meat fibers. Extreme close-up macro. Visuals of the hypnotic shredding. Phase where massive rotating. Drums and interlocking. Steel teeth gently pull soften. Jackfruit apart into long, delicate strands. Fibers stretching and separating in slow motion to mimic pulled pork texture. Repetitive mechanical movement creating an endlessly satisfying loop. Detailed focus on moisture, shine, and fibrous structure. Factory sounds amplified for ASMR effect. Cinematic lighting accentuating motion and depth. Smooth camera pans and speed ramp. Shots turning industrial processing into a mesmerizing visual experience, highlighting the core transformation that defines modern vegan pork production. Wide and close shots of fiber alignment. Rollers stretching shredded jackfruit into uniform strands. Machines carefully shaping texture for consistency. Followed by massive rotating mixers tumbling fibers with smoky marinades. Spices and plant-based oils. Seasonings coating every strand evenly as colors deepen and textures become rich and glossy. Slow-motion seasoning dispersion creating visually pleasing patterns. Overhead shots of synchronized mixing paddles. Warm tones suggesting flavor infusion. Continuous movement emphasizing precision and control in large scale. Plant-based meat engineering. Smooth transitions into industrial cooking. Systems where seasoned jackfruit. Fibers move through temperature controls. Tumbling cookers. Gentle rotation allowing flavors to bind while maintaining structure. Steam rising softly, glossy surface texture forming. Followed by quality control. Labs where technicians in white coats test moisture levels, fiber pull, and consistency using modern sensors and visual inspections. Close-ups of samples being pulled apart to show realistic meat-like texture. Calm professional atmosphere reinforcing food safety. Consistency and advanced manufacturing standards. Fast yet fluid
Jackfruit
visuals
factory.
of rapid cooling tunnels.
Gentle rotation,
Stabilizing
allowing
shredded
flavors
vegan
to
pork.
bind while
As it
maintaining
moves along
structure.
conveyors. Steam fading as texture locks in place. Transitioning into high-speed automated packaging lines. Sealing product into vacuum packs with precise timing, labels applied flawlessly. Synchronized machinery creating rhythmic factory ASMR. Pallets stacking neatly as robotic arms prepare boxes for cold storage. Wide warehouse shots showing scale, efficiency, and readiness for global distribution. Cinematic closing montage transitioning from factory to finished food. Slow motion shots of jackfruit vegan pork sizzling lightly in pans. Served in sandwiches, tacos, and bowls. Steam rising to mirror earlier factory visuals. Clean modern kitchen lighting. Close-ups highlighting fibrous texture and juiciness. Intercut with final factory shots to emphasize sustainability. Innovation and the future of food. Smooth fades and calming pacing creating a satisfying ending that encourages replay. Leaving viewers impressed by the hypnotic journey from raw jackfruit to modern plant-based pork.
Mabading sa mga kidi, say do, don't need no good on the gate to him. Judge me, name me, baby, on being the good styles.